Let's move on to the Frequencies and Bands tab. The Frequency and Bands tab allows you to mark frequencies and frequency bands as usable or being interfered with so that they are excluded from the frequency coordination. In addition, you can specify how frequencies and frequency bands are to be prioritized in the frequency coordination. If, for example, you set the prioritization level for a license frequency to high, this frequency will be highly prioritized in the coordination. The color coding of these frequencies and bands will help you to easily identify free and blocked areas in the chart. For example, blocked areas are red and free ones are green. You can add a frequency or band using the Add Frequency Band button. This will guide you into a dialog where you select the type, which is discrete frequency, interference frequency, usable band or unusable band. You can select the minimum and maximum frequency, the tolerance, which is the safety zone around a single frequency, and the priority if it's not a blocking type. Second, you can click and drag into the chart while holding down the Alt key for a usable band, Shift-Alt for an unusable band, Control for a discrete frequency or Shift-Control for an interference frequency. And third, you can leave analyzing the spectrum up to the WSM. You simply press the Analyze Frequency spectrum and WSM will try to determine, depending on the regional grid information for LTE and TV channels, as well as the scan data, which parts of the spectrum can be used safely and which should be blocked. Now let's take a closer look at our environment. The information we can get out of our scan, as well as the regional information, will help us to define the areas which should be avoided.